Hi friends, today we are making budget air fryer Japanese potato korokke, golden panko croquettes with creamy potato, savory beef and onion, and a sweet tonkatsu sauce finish. This recipe gives you 4 servings and takes about 45 minutes, with big crunch and very little oil. Let us walk through the ingredients, starting with 1 pound russet potatoes. They are cheap, fluffy, and perfect for the soft center of korokke. 6 cups plus 1 tablespoon water helps cook the potatoes and loosen the egg wash for a light coating. 1 small yellow onion adds sweetness and stretches the beef filling without adding much cost. 4 ounces ground beef gives the croquettes a classic savory Japanese filling while keeping the recipe budget-friendly. 2 tablespoons neutral oil, divided, help brown the filling and make the panko crisp in the air fryer. 1 tablespoon soy sauce brings salty umami depth to the beef and onion mixture. 1 teaspoon sugar balances the soy sauce and helps the filling taste rounded, not sharp. 1 teaspoon kosher salt, divided, seasons both the potato cooking water and the mashed filling. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper gives the potato and beef mixture a gentle warmth. 1/2 cup all-purpose flour is the first breading layer, so the egg can cling evenly. 1 large egg makes the sticky middle layer that holds the panko in place. 1 cup panko breadcrumbs gives korokke its signature airy crunch, especially in the air fryer. 2 cups shredded green cabbage are the classic fresh side for Japanese korokke. 2 tablespoons tonkatsu sauce finish the croquettes with sweet, tangy, savory flavor. To begin the preparation, peel 1 pound russet potatoes and cut them into 1-inch chunks so they cook evenly. Now that the potatoes are cut, place them in a medium saucepan with 6 cups water and 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt. Bring the water to a boil, then cook for 12 to 15 minutes, until the potatoes are tender when pierced. Once the potatoes are tender, drain them well and return them to the warm saucepan for 1 minute so extra steam can escape. With the potatoes dried, mash them until mostly smooth, leaving just a few tiny bits for a homemade texture. Next, finely chop 1 small yellow onion so it disappears into the filling and seasons every bite. Now heat 1 tablespoon neutral oil in a small nonstick skillet over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and 4 ounces ground beef, then cook for about 5 minutes, stirring and breaking up the beef until it is browned and the onion is soft. When the beef is browned, stir in 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and the remaining 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt. Cook for 1 minute, until the seasoning smells glossy and savory. Add the seasoned beef and onion to the mashed potatoes, then fold everything together until the filling is evenly combined. Now let the potato mixture cool for 10 minutes. This short rest makes it much easier to shape without falling apart. Once the mixture is cool enough to handle, divide it into 8 portions and shape each portion into a thick oval patty. Set up the breading station with 1/2 cup all-purpose flour in 1 bowl. In a second bowl, beat 1 large egg with 1 tablespoon water. In a third bowl, rub 1 cup panko breadcrumbs with the remaining 1 tablespoon neutral oil. Bread each patty by coating it lightly in flour, dipping it into the egg, and pressing it into the oiled panko until the outside is fully covered. Preheat the air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes, so the crust starts crisping right away. Now place 4 breaded korokke in the air fryer basket in a single layer, leaving space between them for hot air to move. Air fry the first batch at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes, until the bottoms are starting to turn golden. After 8 minutes, gently turn the korokke and air fry for 5 to 7 more minutes, until the crust is crisp and evenly deep golden. Transfer the first batch to a rack or board, then cook the remaining 4 korokke the same way, 8 minutes, turn, and 5 to 7 more minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the last batch cooks, place 2 cups shredded green cabbage in a serving bowl and spoon 2 tablespoons tonkatsu sauce into a small dish for serving. When all the korokke are cooked, let them rest for 2 minutes so the crust sets and the creamy center stays neatly inside. That closes the cooking. Here is the payoff: budget Japanese korokke with a crisp panko shell, creamy potato inside, and just enough savory beef to make every bite satisfying. Serve it with the cabbage for freshness and the tonkatsu sauce for that sweet, tangy finish. If this air fryer version saved you time and oil, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more easy recipes.